This is from Jay in Florida. What is the maximum amount you would recommend for a homeowner's insurance deductible? I wouldn't make a claim on anything less than $10,000 today, as I can afford the cost and I don't want to risk my rate increasing or being dropped altogether. But just how high should I go? 25K? I'm fortunate and have quite a bit in reserve, so I could handle the cost in case of emergency. I'm trying to balance the risk and cost here. It's unlikely I'll file a claim unless there's catastrophic damage.
Jay, this is a dilemma facing so many Floridians, especially the roughly, 1.5% of Floridians live in close proximity to the Gulf of Mexico or the Atlantic Ocean. And so the risk to you with your homeowner's insurance, obviously in Florida, use it and lose it. Florida faces, in a catastrophic storm, the state legislature having to potentially bail out Florida residents only facing a catastrophe of a major hurricane. The devastation, if you look at the recent hurricane, not only disrupting people's lives and loss of life, but the property destruction in those Gulf Coast communities in Lee County, unbelievable. Lee County, Southwest Florida. And so having as a homeowner, if you have the resources, an extremely high deductible is smart. You don't want to make small claims. A lot of Florida homeowners insurance policies have two deductibles. They have one for unnamed storm events, and then second, when a storm is named, you face a much higher deductible. What you can do is from your insurer, you can get quotes for different levels of deductible. I assume, I'm making an assumption here, Jay, you have no mortgage. If you have a mortgage, your mortgage company will tell you what the maximum deductible is you're allowed to have before they do something called force-placed insurance, which is unbelievably horrible. But if you find that there's a break point where going higher doesn't really save you any money, then stick at that as your deductible. Could be $10,000, $25,000, $50,000, something like that. Because if you ever do have a catastrophic claim, then at that point, limiting the out-of-pocket is a good choice.